ishin njerëzit më dashur që do flinin gjuhë. Të tjerë ishin në dhomë, deri mua me ndarë, familja. Po është dritares, kishe një spion që do të gjonte, që do vinte të jepte të dhema. Ka dëgjova kështu, dëgjovash. E më kujtohet si tash i thoshte nëna ime. Se dëgjoj me gjëri, thoshte.
L'Albanie, c'était une dictature d'extrême gauche. Et une dictature peut survivre grâce à la capacité de diviser les gens, d'espionner les gens, de surveiller les gens sans information.
So it was a regime well organized to make people having fear if the people make something wrong. He was going to pay himself, but not just himself. All the family was going to pay this thing he did. One people shooting even for the family.
Një nga një ishka. Vajti mori bukën e misërt edhe buka ishte si e papjekur. Edhe tha, po që buka e papjekur, ta si do të hamë? Do të lajmëron pranë. Po unë kam qenë dhe në shkollë bashkë me ata çunata asaj familje, edhe ishin shumë të zgjuar. Ata një nga një I futën bukë.
When you speak to somebody confidentially against the regime, you were risking your life, your freedom, not life, and your family risking to be transferred to other city, to other village, and to work forcibly there.
On ne peut pas résister à une dictature 50 ans sans connaître la psychologie de la société et qui va obéir, qui va dominer. Un isolement très féroce, une dictature très féroce. D'abord, c'est la paranoïa du système que tout le monde va attaquer l'Albanie. Ça, c'est exagération de la pensée d'un dictateur. Mais de l'autre côté, on ne peut pas dire que ce dictateur était des gens naïfs. Non. C'était la dictature. Il faut obéir sans aucune alternative de pensée, pas de pensée créative et critique. Tu crois que la normalité, c'est ça, oppression, dictature, leader, obéissance totale. Dans ces conditions, les gens essaient de vivre, de survivre.
To follow this TV channel, we should do some antenna, take the wind of these channels. Our city, there was full of antenna, because formerly we needed antenna even for the program of the park. My antenna was the highest one, because I wanted to follow the foreign channel. And at that time, we had room antenna. People, engineer people, Albanian people, because when we bought the TV, the state take a part of the TV which was conceived for having program from abroad. And people in illegal way make this part, and we did a new TV in home with a room antenna. And when somebody knocked at the door, we were forced to turn to our public television and get an antenna under the divan.
On ne pouvait pas ni sortir de l'Albanie, ni écouter la radio, ni voir la radio étrangère, etc.
Nuk ka, do më thënë e shani shumë jashtë, botën jashtë, vuan, ne jemi rehat, ne jemi mirë, ne vuanim shumë.
It was a time where the party got more severe against the population who wanted to learn about the Europe democratic country.
La sécurité, les services secrets albanais, était un système très raffiné, sophistiqué, intelligent.
Psychologically, it was a fear to speak and to say what we thought about the regime, about the life, about the reality. When you speak to somebody, it could be, he could be, or she could be a spy of the party.
Dhe po të bëshin 2 veta të fusnin burg. Ne mos kishe bërë asgjë, propagandë.
La peur fait que tu t'adaptes parce que sinon graduellement l'évolution fait tomber tous les courages jusqu'à la dictature absolue. Il y a eu pas mal de gens qui se sont suicidés parce qu'ils ne voudraient pas s'engager avec les services secrets. Plus la dictature est forte, elle te commande pas seulement les comportements, pas seulement tes pensées, mais aussi les émotions.
Shokët e mi dolën agronoma, dolën mësues, që ishin mirë me regjimin e Enverit, unë ngela.
Contrôler les gens par pression. Par exemple, on entrait dans une famille et on conditionnait les privilèges des études universitaires ou d'autres privilèges avec la capacité tu vas s'engager pour espier ou surveiller ton frère ou ton voisin, etc. Lavage du cerveau, on faisait considérer l'idée idéale que vous êtes en train de contribuer pour la patrie. En surveillant mon voisin et espionner, etc.
There are some journalists who have faced difficulties, who has received calls asking them not publish an article or something like that. They started to dance with the people, and I described even this part of the event. And the redactor of the newspaper, the youth newspaper, instead of setting this piece I reported, wrote to my name that the young people went to the older people of village and spoke about the heroic war against occupation.
Tu n'avais pas de choix. Comportement qui est contre le régime, on t'élimine. Je me souviens de l'époque, c'était une concurrence qui pleurait de plus. Ce sont des larmes vraies, ce sont des larmes de lavage du cerveau, naïf, comme la vie c'est fini, le Dieu c'est fini. On a rêvé la liberté, on a rêvé le libéralisme, mais quand il est arrivé, on a perdu l'orientation et on ne savait pas quoi faire. On a perdu la boussole. Toujours, je rêve les peurs, l'anxiété du système de l'époque. Les traces sont encore vivantes chez moi, c'est question de génération.
My children don't know because now there is nothing to do with that regime.